Welcome, students. Once again, this is Asif from Modern International School, Hiswa. Today, we are going to solve some questions of exercise 2A of exercise 2A, chapter number 2, fractions, class 7th. Okay, guys. So please keep watching carefully and get ready how to solve the question. Now let's take a started. Question number 11, exercise 2A. Amit weighs 35 kg. His sister Kavita's weight is 3/5 of Amit's weight. Okay, how much does Kavita weighs? That means इसमें कह रहा है कि कविता की weight कितनी होगी. How to find? That means we have to find the Kavita's weight. Okay, now see first the given. Write the given. Amit's weight, is equal to 35 kg. Okay, now according to the questions, his sister Kavita's weight, Kavita's weight is equal to क्या है 3/5 of Amit's weight. Okay, Amit's weight. See, because this is according to the questions. Here the given his sister Kavita's weight is 3/5 of Amit's weight. So I have already written Kavita's weight is equal to 3/5 of Amit's weight. ठीक होगा 3/5 as it is. Remember, please, of means multiply Amit's weight. Here is the Amit's weight, 3/35 kg. Okay, now we have to multiply in numerator to numerator and denominator is denominator, and we have to get cancelled numerator and denominator. Here 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35. This becomes 3 multiplied by 7. Okay, 3 7 ja 21 kg. So this is your answer. Okay, I hope you got it. Okay, see the last question 15 of exercise 2A. Okay, find the area of a rectangular park which is 41 2/3 meter long and 83 by 5 meter broad. First we have to draw the rectangular park. Here look at, there is a, suppose rectangular park is here. That means the shape is rectangle. Okay, and this is the long means this is length. You can say L as length 41 2/3. Okay, and this is the breadth. B stands for, this is breadth, this is B, this is L. 3/5 meter. These are given. Okay, now find the area. Now remember, area of rectangle or area of rectangular park is length into breadth. Then from formula we can easily area of rectangular park is equal to length into breadth. Okay, now write the length. This is 41 2/3 multiplied by 18 3/5. First of all, we have to turn these mixed fractions into improper fractions, then multiply. Turn this mixed fraction into improper, turn this mixed fraction into improper, then we have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator, and you will get answer. Okay, I hope you can do it. Now guys, the next topic is division of fractions. This is the subtopic of the second topic, fractions. Okay, see, first point is here, reciprocal of a fraction. Two fractions are said to be reciprocal of each other if their product is 1. see with the help of examples. Suppose 4 by 9 multiply by 9 by 4 and becomes, this is 1 because 4 will get cancelled, 9 1 9 1 will get cancelled, so this becomes 1. Then we can say 4 by 3 is a fraction which is reciprocal of 9 by 4, or vice versa. Vice versa means 9 by 4 is also reciprocal of 4 by 9. Now next example, suppose 1 by 2 multiply by 2 by 1, this is also 1. 10 by 50, 5, or 5 by 10, this is also 1. So this is the reciprocals of this and this is the reciprocals of that. Okay, I hope you will get the points. That means once again I repeat, if one fraction is multiplied by another fraction becomes 1, we can say the first fraction is the reciprocal of the second and vice versa, means second fraction is also reciprocal of first. Okay, I hope you will. Now next point, division of fraction. Yes, the division of fractions. Now see, to divide one fraction by another, that means we have to multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the other fraction. Let us figure out with the help of example. In order to divide two fractions, I repeat once again, in order to divide two fractions, that means we have to multiply first fractions by reciprocal of second fractions. Here the reciprocal, if the reciprocal means we change the sign. Here the reciprocal sign, and this 4 goes 2 up and 1 go downwards. This becomes 4 by 1, so we get cancelled, 2 1 ja and 2 2 ja 4. Okay, 3 2 ja 6, so 6 is answer. Okay, now see another example. This is example, another example, second example. Have a look. Suppose 9 by 10 divided by 1 by 10. Okay, that means we have to, in order to divide one fraction by another, that means we have to multiply the first fraction, by a reciprocal of second fraction, 10 by 1, and we can say we have to change this sign. Division becomes multiplication and denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. Okay, now we have to follow the same way. That means that I have learned in the previous video lecture, how to multiply two fractions, multiply numerator and denominator. This will get cancelled, 10 1 ja 10, and this will 9 multiplied by 1, this is 1 multiplied by 1 becomes 9, 1 is hidden. Okay, this is your answer. Yes, dear students, I hope you got it, and keep watching this video carefully. Now your homework, actually 2A exercises, in 2A exercise solve question number 12, 13, 14. Okay, and we have to learn that I have taught the previous, so please learn all the points. Okay, and you can go for the further exercise 2B. Now you can go to the further exercise, means exercise 2C. And in 2C, these are a very simple question. Question number 1, write down the reciprocal only, and you have already learned about the reciprocal. Suppose the reciprocal of 5 by 8 means 8 by 5. Okay, and question number 2, simplify, and third is 1, 2 and 3. I hope the next question number 1, 2, 3. Okay, these are your homework. I repeat, homework exercise 2A, question number 12, 13, 14, and exercise 2C, question number 1, 2, 3, including all the points. So I hope you have remember. You will have to remember all the points. So guys, have a nice day. Thanks a lot.